How to drop items in your Roblox mobile application. So let's start this video. Firstly, I'm going to show you some of the genuine steps here on official Roblox theme website. So how to drop items on PC or Mac. So there are mobile steps and there are PC and iOS steps too. Dropping items in Roblox mobile, Android or iPhone might not be possible depending on the device and the game you're playing at. It may be possible to drop items by doing this following. First, get the item you wish to drop in your hand or select it from your inventory screen. Next, open the CHOD, tap the icon in the top left and spam the backspace using the cross option. If that doesn't work, unfortunately, it's likely not possible for you to drop items here on your mobile phone. Instead, you can do this thing same on your Xbox, on your PC, or on your Mac. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.